usually surrounded by sad, unhappy people. So we're raising our spirits here at the end of the week, and thank you for letting me be a part of this important day in your lives together. Well, we are assembled here today to join Eric Brunson Jr. and Emily Coates in marriage, a relationship held in honor among all persons. Those who enter into it must learn mutual esteem, love, and to bear with each other's infirmities and weaknesses, to comfort each other in sickness, trouble, and sorrow, to share in each other's joys and success, and to provide and care for each other, not only in material things, but spiritual matters as well. You are about to join your lives in the closest and most tender union into which two humans can engage. It is a union founded upon mutual respect and affection, and is intended not only for your happiness, but for the happiness and well-being of society. You are about to pledge to each other your devotion, fidelity, commitment, and love. Your paths will be parallel, your responsibilities will increase, but your happiness will be multiplied if you are sincere, earnest in your relations with one another. Eric, will you have Emily to be your wedded wife? Love her, honor, and keep her, and forsaking all others, keep you only unto her, so long as you both serve her. Emily, will you have Eric to be your wedded husband, to love him, honor, and keep him, and forsaking all others, keep you only unto him, so long as you both serve him?
Thank you.
Okay, face each other and repeat these vows to each other, starting with you, Eric. Please repeat after me. I, Eric.
I, Eric.
Take you, Emily.
Take you, Emily.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
Have and behold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, and to you I pledge my commitment. I, Emily, take you, Eric, to be my wedded husband, to have and behold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, and to you I pledge my commitment. Okay, we're now going to have the ring ceremony, so we can bring the ring forward for Eric to give to Emily. Start with that one. Place it on the left hand there, and repeat these words. With this ring, I thee wed. It is given, and let it be received, as a symbol of my affection, sincerity, fidelity, and love for you. Have a ring for him to present to Emily. For the Moises Peanut Gallery back there. With this ring, I thee wed. It is given, and let it be received as a symbol of my affection, sincerity, fidelity, and love for you. Inasmuch as Eric and Emily have consented together as marriage and have witnessed the same before these witnesses, and have given and pledged their commitment to each other, by the authority vested in me by the state of Washington, I now pronounce them husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss your bride. There you go.